Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. I make money, I try to make money online using Etsy and Amazon KDP and YouTube, but mainly Etsy. And today I've been using crispy prints and I have been making tons of different, look, I've made all these are like bundles, yeah, candy match game, Halloween, lots of Halloween ones, yeah, obviously Halloween, lots of different other ones, so that's categories in that, self-care, you name it guys, I've been making loads, right, but not only that, I can get this off the screen, I have, if I come over to my Etsy, I'm not sure. Anyway, what I've done, I've been using crispy prints and I've been coming onto these different ones, look like your shower bundles, your couples bundles, busy book bundles. I've not used all these today. What I've used today is the Halloween and the the couples bundle, yeah. But the Halloween, I swear, it's so good, guys. Yeah. I'll quickly show you. I come over to. This one actually. Yeah, I'm not going to show you all my games. Come over here. This is the. I've shown you before. You can watch some of my other videos how to do it. This is the print it gives you over on Crispy Prints here. Yeah, you go here, you grab that, you download the background template. Yeah, and then I brought it over to Canva and I upload it here. Yeah, it gives you the sizes as well, so you can create your thing. But then I put like a little character here, say for instance that, and then. What I'll do first is elements. Get rid of that, and I'll start off with one of these boxes, guys. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I put it up here like that. Just kind of rushing it for you guys. Bromley's nearly swore then, guys. Nearly swore. So if I copy that, I'll come down here, paste it there like that. Let's get rid of that again. Delete that. Copy that. Paste it on there. Yeah, there we've got that thing, but we want a background, yeah? So I'll type in ghost because that's what we've got there. As you can see, I've been doing different ones. You can get something like that, yeah? You put it there, background. But then this, what I do, I come on the background transparency and I take it down. Yeah, you can take it down as much as you want, but we'll change that from green. We'll have it on white, yeah? Yeah, look how cool it is. Then all you do then, guys, to make different ones, you might want, for instance, you might want Dracula, yeah? So what I do then, I use this like that as a guide. You see it's about the same size, so for him now, get rid of him. We've got Dracula there, yeah? And we want to change the background now, so we'll go for vampire, yeah? Do that. Nah, erase that one. You could have it scary like that. You could do. Maybe. He's got red on him, hasn't he? You just do this, it's just find a decent like background. Oh, you can do this, guys. Go down here, static, yeah? You don't want. Do that. It's quite a good one, guys, isn't it? For the sake of this video, let's hurry up, yeah? Could have that, but we'll probably want a more scary vampire if we want. If we're getting him, let's have a look at the scary ones. Definitely not that one, he's not scary, is he? We'll keep it at that, yeah. And then what you do then is you just download it. I'll just page 3, yeah. Download. Page 3. Yep, download it. It'll download. We go back over to Crispy Prints. Yep. We drag it into this little box here, guys. Then it'll do its thing. Kind of gonna have red, I think. I'm gonna have red on it, see what it looks like with red. Right, but we're not gonna. You can select that and it'll select them all, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna select a few, I don't know, different ones, yeah? I select 3. Create bundle. Now you don't click back off this, yeah? And let me just find. I don't want to show you what I mean, I show you some what I've created, but let me go back to, let's go to my video. Yeah, so this is my channel, yeah? So if you want to check some out, you can see like my Amazon KDP income, I'll show you my Etsy income, I'll show you how to create different printables, how to create different colouring pages, guys, Etsy earnings, yeah? Feel free to come and check out some of these videos out, guys. This channel is not monetized, yeah? Oh, here we are. That's how quick it is. Takes a bit longer if you've got more, so let's just make it small again. Let me just move this out of the way and then click that, so a bit more. Yeah, and yeah, a bit more smaller. But once you do, then it puts it on that, so you can make its backgrounds lighter on if you want. Yeah, but you can see, I like it how you can see the background. Yeah. Now this one we've got to colour it in, so you might not want a big picture behind it, but you can see where I'm going at. Then you can quickly make these then quick. Because all you do when you're on Canva, yeah, is you get whatever character you get off that. Get whatever character you want, yeah, and then the background, and then you just do that. So you could have 2 different ghosts. Yeah, you've got a ghost one there. Let's have another ghost. Yeah, we could have. Ghost. I'll just put photos, which gives us background. Yeah, could have that one. Yeah. Then you could think, oh, I want another one. I'll have that one. Not really. Oh, this is a good one. Look at that one. Yeah. Then you can choose if you want to do graphics. You can choose different which ones you want. But like that's easy. So you could easily make different themes, different multiple themes, but in the same niche. So if you wanted ghosts, you could have different ghosts. Because then people might think, oh, I don't like that one, but I like this one. You know what I mean? Where I'm getting at, you could have different vampires, you could have different backgrounds, you could have different like. Back over onto Crispy Prince. This is just the this is the Halloween one. This is, I love this one, guys. I've been playing around with it all day. But then you got your shower bundles. Yeah, baby showers are very popular. You could do like baby giraffes, baby zebras, baby insects, baby, I don't know, baby puppies. Anything you want, guys, you can do it. Yeah. You can do couples ready for Valentine's Day, and you get all these. And you know what the good thing is, guys? It's always bringing new ones. So if you look new printable schedule, every month, yeah, he brings more. So next month, yeah, he's bringing wine label prints, yeah. Then November, math activities, which are popular as well over on Etsy. Productivity prints in December, and gift tag prints in December as well. We're getting 2 in December. It's like Christmas, yeah. And there's different things like pin busters. But the good thing as well, guys, it's on sale at the moment. As far as I'm aware, it's on sale. But there's lots of different training as well, so you can't get stuck because he helps you. And there's a Facebook group as well where people are always active in it. Yeah, it shows you how to make money, how to advertise and make money on Pinterest, on Etsy, on your own website, etc. Guys, it's awesome, guys. I love this. This is. I probably use it every single day, making different like themes and different designs for Etsy. And what a good thing, though, guys, is if you look at these, say for instance, go back on this Halloween one, yeah? Right? This one has got 12 different games, yeah? 12 different games you can create. So you can create them all and have one bundle. Sell it as a bundle, yeah, guys? So you're making money for a big bundle, yeah? Because you can see over on Etsy, let me have a look. Yeah, if you look over on Etsy, yeah, you get the trolley. On Etsy here, what can I look for? Oh yeah, looking at escape games. I don't know. Let's have a look. Halloween bundle, yeah, that's what I was getting at. Bundle. I'm not actually searching for this actually. Look, Halloween bundles. 390 people searching for this at the moment, right? So what if we just click on it? Right, it's not sure what I would expect. Halloween. Printable games. Looking just for this. Yeah, look here. Different bundles here, yeah. So 7 Halloween bundles, yeah, for £4.80. This one here, 5 games for £13.34, and they're making sales. 206 people have bought them. Now you're going to create a bundle of 12 games, yeah. Then, if you do what I do on Etsy, you can, on Canva, you can make your own some extra games as well, and add them to your bundle, so you've got more games, or you can sell them separately. Right? But what I'm trying to get at, guys, is I want to exit the drawing book. To move. Anyway, let's go back to Christmas prints. Yeah, so what I'm getting at is you can sell these as a bundle, or you can sell them, you can create them individually and then sell them 12 different ways. Well, you can have 13 different ways of making money, so you can sell them individually, yeah, times 12, and then an extra 13th one can be the bundle. And that's great, guys, because believe it or not, on my channel I've got lots of bundles, but I'm still selling the individual ones, and I make it so if the individual ones are pretty much the same price as the bundles, yeah, so it makes it look like if you get the bundle you're saving a lot of money, but people are still buying the individual ones, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it's definitely worth investing in, guys. I'm not sure how much it is. I just heard him on a video today, because I watch his videos all the time. I just heard him say that there is a bit of a sale on at the moment, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave this link in the description, guys, and yeah, and if you've got it and you've got some good ideas as well, let me know, yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.